Steering fluid leaks from the speed sensor. The top part is dry. It leaks from the sensor inside out. Remove the intake air box to start the job. Remove 2 clamps of the intake pipe. Remove 3 bolts of the air box cover. Remove 3 bolts in the air box. Remove these 2 bolts. Pull the clip to remove. Make sure you don't break or lose the clip. Now pull up to remove the speed cable. Remove the speed sensor mounting bolt. Use 1/4 extension bar and socket to remove the bolt. Sensor mounting bolt is out. Do not lose it. Now wiggle and pull up to remove the sensor. If it's stuck, go under the gearbox and look up to see the sensor. Use an extension bar and a hammer to do a few taps to loose it. But make sure tap it gently, otherwise it breaks the sensor. Use 2 big bolts to stop the steering fluid leak. Also, it's good idea to replace the hose and clamps to new. Now it's ready to fix the sensor. Take the sensor to your local bearing shop to buy a new O-ring with the right size. Also replace the big O-ring inside to fix the leak. Remove 2 bolts to open the sensor. Clean the sensor and buy new O-ring from your local bearing shop. The O-ring is about 1.5 millimeters. Sensor is clean. New O-ring installed. New hose, new clamps, ready to install the sensor. Make sure you put rubber grease on the O-ring, otherwise you won't be able to fully push in the sensor. If you install the mounting bolt without the sensor fully in, you break the sensor. It snaps. Make sure the sensor is fully in. No gap at the mounting point. Now install the mounting bolt.
Oh God, please, no! No!
The space is so tight. A magnetic pickup tool is helpful. Use the magnetic tool to place the bolt into the hole.
Nice.
Then use the 1/4 extension socket to install the bolt. Torque the bolt to 12 Newton meters. Do not over-tighten, it snaps. Now push in the speed cable. Compress the clip if it is loose. Push the clip into the gap. Check the cable is stable. Install the bracket. Torque these bolts to 39 Newton meters. Top up steering fluid. Install intakes and start the engine. Check any leaks. Top up steering fluid again if necessary. Check underneath to see any leaks. No leaks. Done. Prelude.